So, hello. As you can see here, nandito na kami sa loob ng Simala. So, as you can see, ang dami pong mga tao dito. At ngayon po ay September 7. So, bukas po ang birthday ni Mama Mary. But, nauna kaming nag-visit dito at pumunta dito kasi alam nyo naman bukas birthday ni Mama Mary ay maraming mga tao.
You know me the best, you know my worst. See me hurt, but you don't judge. That right there is the scariest feeling. Opening and closing up again. I've been hurt, so I don't trust. Now here we are staring at the ceiling. I've said those words before, but it was a lie. And you
So,
deserve.
as you can see sa pants ko, ay talagang hindi naman talaga ako nagpa-pants niyan. Nag-short ako, pero hindi naman short na short, hanggang tuhod lang. Pero bawal po kasi dito mag-short. So, kailangan po namin na naghanap ako ng paraan. So, ayan, parang hindi naman talaga partner ang outfit ko. Pero hayaan nyo na. At least nakapasok tayo. Let's go!
Isn't it amazing how almost every line on our hands align? When your hands are mine, it's like I'm whole again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind. I've said those words before, but it was a lie. You deserve to hear it 1,000 times. If all it is to say that, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that, why am I in my...
So, hello guys. As you can see here, may madre dito. Nung nakita ko si sister, nabighani talaga ako. Diyos ko po, alam niyo naman dati ay gusto akong mag-madre. So, ngayon medyo na-erase na ng konti. Pero nung nakita ko si sister, grabe ba, nabighani talaga ako ni sister at bumalik talaga. Sabi ko, ay Diyos ko, gusto ko nang pumasok. Ay naku, wag mo na. So, ngayon forward tayo. Nandito kami sa loob na ng simbahan dito sa Simala sa Cebu. Tapos, ayan sa labas, hindi ko na na-videohan kanina kasi ang daming mga tao at mag-video ako doon. Sobra.
What to say? If all it is a letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is a letters.
So guys, nakita nyo bang nakita namin? Akala namin kung ano yung nasa gitna, i-zoom ko yan, o. Nakita nyo at
Since you there, mama, you when I close my eyes. If all it is a letters, when I close my eyes. Since you there, mama, you when I close my eyes. If all it is a letters.
okay guys, sa part na to, uuwi na kami at hindi na ako makapag-video kasi nga mahaba pa yung biyahe namin. Punta kami sa bahay ng pinsan ko. So, malayo pa yun. Kaya, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless.